What are the 7 aspects for success? Number 1, greatest enemy is
Time.
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 greatest enemy is time. You need not to study time management. You need not do anything for it. You have to regularly practice and take the guidance from the mentor and from the admins and practice accordingly. Time management is the result of your competency. Once you are competent, you have enough time. There are so many people who have told me after 7 or 8 minutes, I completed my reading part A. Then I was looking around and I could not manage to write. No, then that will be your issue. So time management is not an issue at all. You need not bother about it at all. Once you have competency, time is simple for you. You always will have extra time to enjoy in the examination hall. Second one, never ever book your exam date before gaining competency. We will tell you when to book your exam date for many reasons. And also you'll have to see when there is opportunities. You don't write immediately. Take time. And there are so many other issues. When you book the exam date earlier, you'll be simply stressed, unnecessarily stressed about things. You have enough dates which you can book. Third one, that is the greatest mistake, one of the greatest obstacles. We say the greatest obstacle is booking the exam date before gaining competency. Third one,
follow the many mentors.
Cool. Okay. Having many mentors, you will have many strategies. You see, different people teach different ways, and you mix everything. You know, there are so many ingredients which you can add to a particular curry, chicken curry. But then if you add everything that everybody says, your chicken curry will be something different, right? You will not be able to use it. Though something is good, always follow one mentor. That's the best thing. Yeah. What is next?
So quality of study.
Yeah, quantity of practice is a myth. Quantity of practice, practicing too many materials, getting exhausted. It will never help your competency. It only creates aversion or hatred towards OET, and you will never be able to enjoy the whole process. So quantity of practice, I have practiced so many materials, 100 materials, 50 materials. It's immaterial, but quality of practice is the truth. Maybe you need to practice not more than 2 or 3 reading materials if you strategically practice, maximum 5. That's more than enough. So quality of practice is the truth. Then illusion of competency. Illusion of competency means you keep on practicing, then you get some score, then you feel I have practiced for 3 months, 5 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. That is illusion of competency, not real competency. Real competency when you tackle the things strategically and when you gain confidence. Then what else?
A grade. We have to
targeting B is another biggest mistake that you make. If you target B, when psychologically it is a big mistake, because when you get 30 score, right score, you feel I am competent. Then your mind is not reaching to the greater competency. So you'll become comfortable. Okay, enough. Your mind will say, okay, enough. Then what happens? That is the main reason, chief reason for gaining 340, 330, 320, 310 in your reading and listening modules. That is the reason, main reason, the prime reason. So never ever target B, target A, if not A plus. Why not A plus? Why not 500? It's not impossible. So target at least A. Then
Patience and consistency.
Patience is the greatest virtue. Patience and consistency. You should practice with patience and consistent, not doing 24 hours at a stretch. Doing little by little, but everyday practice. Consistency is the core secret of gaining any skill. Consistency leads to competency. So doing practice today, then 5 days you know practice, then another day coming back again doing it. Or once you have attempt for the exam, then you don't get it, then you don't practice for next 6 months. Then again you start, whatever the competency you gained, you lose it. So consistency, these are things you should be very, very, very sure about.